I'll be reviewing Rosetta Stone, which is an online program that teaches you a foreign language. And they have tons of options, which is one of the reasons why I like them so much. I'm Shannon Germain, and this is Nix the Norm. Before I go any further, I want to say that Rosetta Stone isn't the only thing that I use to learn a foreign language. So I'll put the links to supplements I use for it in the description below. And some of these things I'll be posting separate reviews of. So please be sure to subscribe so that you'll see them when they're ready. Remember, it costs you nothing to subscribe, but it helps YouTube promote my videos more. So thank you for subscribing right now. I'm doing a series of reviews of homeschool curriculums and tools to help all of you who are suddenly doing school at home and feeling overwhelmed. So if there are any curriculums or resources you'd like reviewed, comment down below because I can probably give you some input or find someone who can. And my reviews are completely unbiased and unsponsored. I started using Rosetta Stone way back when I was in first grade and was in brick and mortar private school. They had me learning French back then, and I wanted to learn it a little more quickly than how they were teaching me, which tended to be a theme with me. So my mom got me Rosetta Stone French, and back then it was a series of CDs, and it came with those headphones, and it was really terrible because it just never worked. So when I started taking Japanese about 3 or 4 years ago, I wasn't sure if it would be a good fit. Well, the good news is, I don't think they even sell it with those old CDs and headphones anymore. Now it's just like everything else seems to be these days. A monthly subscription service that just uses the microphone that's built into your computer. Though I suppose you can get a different microphone if you want. And it works so much better than it used to. I should also say that I get Rosetta Stone for free through my local library. So that might influence my rating of it. Because I think if something's free, then you tend to be a little gentler in your review of it. And I don't have to go to the library to use it. I just punch in my library card and I'm in. So before you sign up, be sure to check your library and see if they offer this service for free in your area. I've used a lot of other foreign language apps, including Memrise and Duolingo. And I keep coming back to Rosetta Stone as my personal favorite. But they're pretty good too. But the thing I like about Rosetta Stone is that it has a ton of levels available. I started a few years ago, and I'm still working my way through everything they offer for Japanese. Rosetta Stone uses the immersion technique of language learning, so there's no English involved. They show you a photo, say a word, then they show you another photo, say that word, you repeat it, then eventually they say it and you have to see if you can remember it by clicking on the correct photo. Then they just keep adding on more things as you master words. I like the mastery technique of learning a lot. One drawback of learning through Rosetta Stone is that you might not walk away feeling like you can really have a conversation with someone in the language that you're learning. If you need to say something like, the girl is swimming, or the men are eating, then you're good. But I've been doing it for years now, and I'm still wondering how I can say things like, where's the bathroom, or how do I get to the hotel? Which would be a lot handier if I'm traveling to Japan than the girl is swimming. Also, while it does teach me some hiragana and katakana, I don't get the practice actually writing the characters myself. But I found some great workbooks for that, and I'll put those links in the description below too. And you'll find there are lots of other things that can supplement your learning. And one of them I found actually puts me face to face with native speakers for pretty cheap. I'm going to be reviewing this week too, so be sure to subscribe. So all in all, I think Rosetta Stone is definitely an excellent tool for learning a language, and my favorite so far, just based on the pretty extensive number of levels that it offers. Be sure to check your library and see if they offer it for free before you sign up. And also, if you do find you need to pay for it, check to see if there's some free trial offer, because there usually is. Thanks for watching! Remember to comment down below if there's anything you'd like reviewed. And check out the other resources that I put in the description below, because some of them are free. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.